Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary samurai and philosopher, once said, "When life hurts, care less about it." This profound statement reminds us that when faced with challenges, it's our attachment and expectations that often cause us the most pain. By caring less about the outcome, we free ourselves from the grip of suffering and embrace the ebb and flow of life. Today, we delve deeper into this philosophy and uncover how it can transform the way we approach adversity. Join us on this enlightening journey. Stay with us till the end and unlock a new approach to facing life's adversities with grace and poise. Have you ever felt crushed by the weight of your own expectations? Did you feel as though life's disappointments were too much to bear? What if the legendary samurai Miyamoto Musashi had the key to navigating these challenges? Before we delve deep into this intriguing concept, let's take a moment to journey back in time. Imagine feudal Japan, a world of fierce warriors, intricate etiquette, and a unique blend of martial artistry and philosophy. At the heart of this world was Miyamoto Musashi, a swordsman of unparalleled skill, but also a man of profound wisdom. Wasn't just known for his duels, but for his insights into life, distilled from years of combat and introspection. One such pearl of wisdom he left behind is the enigmatic statement, "When life hurts, care less about it." At first glance, it might seem like a call to apathy, a suggestion to simply disconnect from the world. But is it really? Let's unpack this. 1. The philosophy of detachment. Musashi's life was one of constant danger. In the face of death, he recognized that over-attachment, whether to outcomes, possessions, or even life itself, was a hindrance. To truly be free in combat and in life, one had to achieve a certain detachment. This wasn't about not caring at all, but rather about not letting the fear of loss overpower one's actions. 2. Resilience in the face of adversity. Every scar Musashi bore told a story of pain but also of survival. By caring less about the pain and focusing more on the lesson, he built a resilience that made him nearly invincible in battle. In our own lives, this translates to seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than mere setbacks. 3. Managing expectations. The world doesn't owe us anything. This might sound harsh, but it's a reality Musashi understood deeply. By releasing our rigid expectations, we free ourselves from the chains of disappointment. Instead of being upset that things didn't go as planned, we can appreciate them for what they are. 4. The freedom from suffering. Buddhist philosophy speaks of attachment as the root of all suffering. Musashi's statement echoes this. When we care less about the things that hurt us, we liberate ourselves from the cycle of pain and reaction. This doesn't mean becoming emotionless, but rather choosing where to invest our emotional energy. 5. The art of acceptance. Musashi knew he couldn't control everything. What he could control was his response. Accepting things as they are, rather than how we want them to be, is a cornerstone of inner peace. It's about understanding that rain will fall and rivers will flow, regardless of our desires. 6. The transience of life. Life is fleeting, a blink in the grand tapestry of time. Musashi's numerous close encounters with death taught him this. By embracing the transient nature of all things, we can live more fully in the present, cherishing each moment without being overly attached to it. 7. Modern-day application. You might wonder, how does a samurai's philosophy apply to me? Whether you're dealing with workplace stress, personal challenges, or societal pressures, the essence of Musashi's wisdom remains relevant. By adopting a mindset of caring less about the hurdles and more about our growth, we can navigate modern life with a calm and centered spirit. As we wrap up this exploration of Musashi's profound statement, I invite you to reflect on your own life. Where are you holding on too tightly? Where could a bit of detachment bring you peace? Remember, it's not about indifference, but about choosing where and how you invest your emotional energy. In wrapping up our journey through Musashi's wisdom today, I hope you found insights that resonate with your own experiences and challenges. If this video brought you value, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you want to continue exploring profound ideas and philosophies with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your support means the world to us. Until our next exploration, stay curious and inspired.